Guys, probably you heard that Xiaomi is launching a new TV here in the Philippines on, of course, September 23rd, which is today. And it's here in my bag, and I'm really excited to open it up here for you. And yes, you heard it right, it's the Mi TV P series, and this is the global edition. I have here the biggest among them all, the 55-incher TV, and man, all those specs is so beefy. I'm really excited to open this box up, and of course, it's still sealed. And let's check it out, what's inside. Hi guys, it's me, Richron of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. And so today, we're going to check some of the beefy specs here of the Mi TV P series. So we have 4K Ultra HD support, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, WCG, smooth motion. Some of the pre-installed apps inside is Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos, and of course, Google Assistant. Let's open. Okay, bringing this big guy over here to our studio is no easy job to be done, and it's really hard for me to carry this all over by myself over here. But of course, I want to say a word of thanks to our friends from Xiaomi Philippines for letting me unbox this, of course, exclusive here on my channel. So I have my trusty blade over here to open this one up, and it's pretty sealed, and I'm really excited what this thing can do. And of course, I've been unboxing Xiaomi TVs in the past, and this is definitely something that I wouldn't miss for the record. So yeah, it's really huge. So with all those beefy specs inside, I'm pretty sure that you and me will be all excited to welcome this today during the launch. We got our two footings over here. Taking out the protection, the styro, which keep this from breaking. And now for the big one, the Xiaomi TV. So it's here out on my table, and what do you know? It's still sealed. So next thing to do is take out all the remotes here, put it on the table, and put the box aside. So now for me to open this one. Okay, so we can see that our Mi TVs here is protected with all those stickers on the side, some energy ratings over here, some barcodes over there, and yeah, we will remove this for our main review. But right now, I'm just going to give you what you can expect out of the box from this Mi TV P series. And right now, I'm going to put it on the table. So other things inside the box, we have the documentation, we have this remote, we have the power cord, and we have some screws. And now it's for me to mount all these screws underneath the television for it to be able to stand. So we can clearly see here at the back, we have several ports over here, 2 USB port up and down, 3 HDMI port. Then you have your audio port over here. Then underneath, we have your antenna cable port over here, your video port over here, the R, the L, and the video. Then you have your optical out, and of course, your LAN port. Other than that, we have no other ports here. Next thing to do is put in our Xiaomi battery, which is not included in this package. And of course, plug in this cable. Now, setting up your own TV is like the next best thing, like setting up your own brand new phone. So right now, we're going to set up this Android TV, being the Mi TV P series. And you can see that, yeah, it's powered by Android, no doubt about that. So it might take a little while to load. So let's just be patient, and I'll give you some quick rundown on what this thing can do before we do our full review on this big boy. So this TV comes in 4 sizes. The first being the 32-inch, then we have the 43-inch, then we also have the 50-inch before this one, the biggest one, the 55-inch. So it's quite easy for us to set up our own smartphone, but setting up this TV is also a brisk. So what you can see here, just get 4 inches away from this one and press this 2 bar over here. Okay, so yeah, it's being paired right now. So you can see the check mark. It's okay. So right now we just simply need to navigate to our probably our settings over here. So Philippines. So take note that this is Bluetooth powered, so you don't need to point it directly here. You can, of course, very easily set this up with your Android phone. So we can open on your Android phone. Of course, it's just open Google. So yeah, just open your Google app right now, and on your Android phone, just say set up my device. Okay, Google, set up my device.
All right.
So right now it's connecting. So yeah, I can see the code here is the same as the code there. So verify this code on your phone. Just click it OK. Connect your device to your Wi-Fi. Yeah, just verify it's you. Okay, so I just simply need to do everything on my phone for me to be able to run this properly, my TV. So right now it's porting my account over to this TV. So this is the quickest way to be able to finish setting up your TV in no time. So yeah, thumbs up to Google for giving us the chance to set this up as fast as we can. So almost done. So continue to set up on your TV right now. So yeah, just need to check some of these terms and services. If you want to read it, you can read it. If you don't want to read it, you can simply just accept. Turn on the location. It's up to you. Me, I'll turn it on. Improve Android, yes. So get better voice control of your TV. Just continue. Okay, so you should know some of the privacy settings. Get personal result. Well, you can turn it on or you can turn it off depending on you. So yeah, to get the most out of it, just turn it on. Control your TV with Hey Google. Continue. So get the most out of your Google Assistant. Yes, of course. So right now, you can install all these pre-installed apps. Okay, so it's up to you if you want. You can, this one, I would prefer installing this one, the Air Console for gaming on TV. So all these others, maybe yes and maybe no. So just continue. So, okay, so this one is powered by Android TV, blah, blah, blah. So you can get everything from Google Play. Then you can talk to Google Assistant anytime you want. Cast your TV, of course. This is one of my favorite settings for Xiaomi TV. Anytime you have probably any Xiaomi phones, probably the higher models, the Mi series and the Redmi series, you can easily cast what you're watching on your small screen phone to this big screen. Now you can use the patch wall. Then of course you can configure probably your homepage. Okay, this is instant play. Just click and start streaming. Okay, so yeah, just keep exploring and get inspired. Okay, so you can find anything that you want in an instant. Okay, so you can easily access your patch wall with these two buttons over here. So we're done. So we're gonna skip this. So since we're not using cable, or maybe air. So yeah, maybe not this time around. So we're not using cable. Okay, so it's been a while since I've been using cable TVs. So just agree. Improve your device. Well, just enroll. Okay, so this is the patch wall that I'm talking about. So you can see all the apps on the side. Okay, you can have Netflix, you have some featured videos, and you can easily download all these apps. Now, this is just a bird's eye view of what you can get from this TV. Of course, you gotta stay tuned to my full review for more extensive review of this TV. I'm quite sure that this is gonna blow you away, and definitely I'm excited to show you the full power and capability of this TV. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And I hope to see you on the full review. Goodbye.